All right, so this is just kind of a follow-up lesson, continuing the idea of what we've already done, just kind of mixing it up and practicing that if we're doing an and, it's going to be multiplying. If it's an or, we're adding. Okay, we've already done a few of these, but we're just going to kind of hammer it home in practice. So it says a bag of Skittles contains 10 red, 8 green, and 5 yellow pieces. How many different ways could you pick 3 of each color? Okay, so that's going to be 10. I'm just going to start abbreviating just for time. Instead of doing NCR, just put C3. And then there's 8 green. I'm going to do C3. And 5 yellow. So C3. Okay. And then we're basically just going to multiply those 3. And you get 67,200. Okay. So we're doing, this one and this one and this one. Now it says, how many different ways could you pick 3 of the same color? So if you're getting the same color, okay, as opposed to each color, that is going to be the 10C3, the 8C3, and the 5C3, okay? And we're just adding them this time. And if you think about it, this should be a much smaller number because you're trying to get 3 of the same color. So 3 out of 10, 3 out of 8, and 3 out of 5. Or what we're pulling. So this ends up being 186. Much smaller number. All right. So up here, I forgot to stress this. When you see each, that's the new word we're throwing in. All right. So number 2. A gym class has 6 juniors, 4 sophomores, and 9 smelly freshmen. How many ways can 2 of each, keyword there, be on a 6-person volleyball team? So remember, each means multiplication. So when we see this, we're going to go, there's 6 juniors, we're picking 2. 4 sophomores, we're picking 2. And 9 freshmen, we're picking 2. And we're going to multiply. And that gives us 3,240. How many ways can 2 of the same grade? That means we're going to plus. So that's going to be 6 picking 2, plus 4 picking 2, plus 9 picking 2. Much smaller number, 57. How many ways can the teacher pick a 5-person basketball team that doesn't have any freshmen? Okay, we're cutting them out, so that means there's 10 people, and we're picking 5. That's 252 different ways that team could be formed. All right. Number 3. 8 seniors. Whoopsie. 8 seniors and 11 freshmen have volunteered for a homecoming parade. 2 seniors will be chosen. 1 to ride an elephant and 1 to ride a camel. 3 freshmen will walk behind. How many ways can this be done? Okay, so we have 8 seniors. Okay, now in this case, since one's riding an elephant, one's riding a camel, that's kind of a ranking, that's a differentiation. Order matters. So this is going to be permutation. So now we're mixing it up. But the freshmen, the 11 freshmen, choosing 3 just to walk behind, order doesn't matter. So in this case, we're doing 1 of each and multiplying and getting 9,240. Okay, so you gotta pay attention. If order matters or what they're doing is specific, then it's permutation. Okay, and last one. Everyone has 5 matching blue marbles and 3 matching black marbles. How many ways can a person pick 2 of each? There's each, means multiply. So that's going to be 5C2 times 3 NCR2. And that gives me 30. Now how can they do 2 of the same? That means we're going to add. So it's going to be the same thing, 5 NCR2 and 3 NCR2, but we're adding this time. We're going to get a smaller number, which is 13. And how many ways can a person line them up in a row? This is kind of a sneaky one. This one is the formula. So there we have 8, and then each of the items has its own thing here. Okay. Now technically, this is just 8 NCR 3. And it's 56. Okay, that's it.